Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have this month, August, Play by Sephora. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, I cut it open, but now I can't get it. Awesome! So it says that this month's theme is the beauty schooled, which is perfect for this month. Lots of people are going back to school, whether that be high school, college, you name it. There's a lot of teachers going back to school, and that is me. So I'm prepping up for the back to school a week I have coming up, and looking forward to a good school year. So all of these things, it says with this curriculum, we're taking you beyond the beauty basics. Check out these fundamental products that have earned high marks. So that's just kind of a fun play on the back to school theme. Let's see what their bag looks like this month. Super cute. Oh, I love it. It says back to beauty school, and it has like makeup brushes and a ruler and a lipstick. Super cute. So let's see what's inside. First up, I have the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. This is super awesome. It's a finishing texture spray that delivers voluminous undone looks that last all day. So I actually really like texturizing sprays, so I will get a lot of use out of this. I've not tried the Moroccan Oil one. I haven't tried that many products from Moroccan Oil, so that's exciting. Next up, ooh, a Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. It's the color Moon Dust. It's a long wear shimmering luminizer in a pearlescent pink hue. Now, one thing I'm noticing about this right off the bat, let me see if you can see, is that it has what looks like glitter. I'm gonna put some on my hand. You don't see it as much on your hand. I don't know if you can see it. It might be a little ashy for me, a little bit too like on the pink tone, but it definitely has some glitter. I didn't put any highlight on, I don't think, today. I'm just gonna pass them on with my finger. Oh, there's some serious pigment. Again, kind of like Moroccan Oil, I haven't tried a lot of Ciate London's stuff, but it's pretty. But it definitely, I don't know, as I kind of had stuck my finger at it, like, and the overlay's gone, it doesn't look nearly as glittery after kind of that top coat. So we'll see. It needs to probably be blended out a little bit better, but we're just gonna keep on going. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. So this stuff is actually really good. I don't know where I got another sample. I might have got it as a 100-point perk or something, or, you know, I don't know where I got it, but I have tried this. I have the exact same little sample. It is really good. I took this on my trip to Hawaii to really moisturize my skin at night, and it did a really nice job. And yeah, it's kind of like a gel texture. It's lightweight, but like really moisturizing. It says that a sleeping mask that deeply hydrates for a glowing complexion in the morning, and it really does deliver on that. I actually really like this stuff, so I'm excited to have more. I actually was just thinking, I wish I had another one of these, so there it is. I'm excited. Okay, few more things. This is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper, and everything is like so packaged nicely. It's a hydrating colorless lip plumper that visibly smooths and defines instantly and over time. Now, I really need smoothing. It's just a clear color. I put it on, but I have stuff on my lips already. But yeah, I like the part that it's not just a lip plumper, that it's actually hydrating, because it works well as a base. So I'm excited to try that, to see if it kind of does help out with the lines and plumpiness, because that's what I struggle with, especially with matte lipsticks. So yeah, and then ooh, oh, I have this. It's the NARS Ace the Base. It's a crease proof eyelid primer that sets eye makeup for all day wear, and actually it's really good, and this is actually a really nice size. Now it is like more of a sheer, not a sheer, it's like a clear base, like it's white and then you put it on and rub it in and it's colorless. So if you like something that's a primer, oh my gosh, I have like slippery fingers. If you like something that's not only a primer but also serves as like that base color to kind of neutralize your eyelid, this is not it. I go back and forth. I have a few different eye primers that I really like, but this one is really good. It really helps your eye makeup to stay on. I just use this and then a base color all over my lid to kind of set it, and I really like it. So those are the 5 items, and then we have the bonus, and I'm excited to say it is not a perfume. It is, I love these, the Amika Velveteen Dream Shampoo and Conditioner. I actually really like getting these shampoo packets. One, when I go on like quick trips, they're really good to take. But 2, sometimes I just want to try something different in the shower, and I'll go ahead and grab one of these and just try something different. And Amika has really good stuff. I've heard people really like their shampoo and conditioner, specifically their purple conditioner and shampoo. People are really loving that. But this is smoothing, and I always use smoothing, so I'm excited to try it. And that's it. I think that overall, this month was really good. I actually really like the products. Definitely some new stuff to try. I think that this Ciate highlighter is a really good size. That's like, it may not be a full size, but like that's a full size to me. That's a lot of product. So yeah, I'm excited. I do really like this box. I get to try a lot of really great stuff that is higher end. So if you've not done so yet, check Play by Sephora out. It's $10 a month, and you get 5 items, then always a bonus item, either usually like a foil packet or a perfume sample. But yeah, if you're interested, I'll leave all the information down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.